In today's video, I'll be going over things to do and places to visit while on Fuerteventura. This is based on our adventure to the island, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen right now. And before we begin this guide, I just wanted to mention very quickly that I highly recommend that you rent a car. The island is pretty big and getting around it with a car makes it much easier. And with that being said, let's begin. One of the must-see of the Fuerteventura, Playa de Cofete. While the road there might not seem long, well, it actually will take a little bit of time. Once you get off-road and start going up the mountains, you'll notice that the road is not the easiest. But while getting there, you'll find yourself on the viewpoint overlooking the whole Cofete beach. It is an incredible sight to see tens of kilometers of beachfront. Heading farther through the rocky road, you'll find yourself going by the cliffs. And once you're down by the beach, you'll find yourself on the endless, incredible beach of Cofete. You can easily spend hours here, and the views are spectacular. La Parade. During your stay on Fuerteventura, you could spend a nice sunset here, by the cliffs and the waterfront. And from here you can actually see the Gran Canaria and Tenerife Island. Well, actually Teide, which is the tip of Tenerife. Dunes of Corralejo. This place feels like the middle of the desert. It is unique and with great scenic views all around. It is incredible to see just one road going through the desert. Even though you might be saying that there is nothing to do on the desert itself, well, just being there and just taking in the views, it is incredible. And in this national park you can find many very beautiful beaches. Oasis Wildlife Fuerteventura. This place is great for everyone, even with children. Here you'll find many beautiful animals and you can take part in educational shows. Not only that, but in the park you'll also find a botanic garden. Did I mention that you can actually feed the wild animals like giraffes? It is definitely a nice place to visit for a day trip. Playa de Sotavento. Depending on the time of the day, it might have water or it might not. Sometimes there's only a stretch of sand going through the lagoon, but sometimes you'll find that everything is just a huge beachfront. We spent here a beautiful sunset and the colors that you will find here are incredible. Caldera Hondo. Being on Canary Islands, you have to visit a crater, a volcano. While going to Caldera Hondo, it is only a short and nice hike. But here, you'll not only get to go to the top of the caldera, you'll also find native animals like the chipmunks and goats. Playa del Bayo de la Burra. Here you'll find what seems to be little pebbles that look like popcorn. Well, this is actually something else. It is white algae fossils that look like little pebbles, but on closer inspection they look like popcorn, hence the name Popcorn Beach. It is close to Corralejo and close to Caldera Hondo, which means you can connect those places for a nice day trip. From afar, this looks like white sand beach, but from closer, well, let's just say I hope you're not hungry when you're there. Mirador astronómico de Sicasumbre. During the evening here you'll find many beautiful sights. But if given the chance, you should check out this place also during the night for some amazing stargazing. And just like that, we are at the end of today's video. If there's anything more that you would like to know about Fuerteventura, please let me know in the comments down below. With that being said, it is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time.